Windows 10 tip: use the hidden repair option to avoid uninstalling an app. Windows 10 includes two panels where you can manage apps and desktop programs. If you dig deep enough, you'll find useful repair and reset buttons that can help you quickly fix a misbehaving app. Over the past few years, the designers of Windows 10 have been in a carefully planned way moving system options from the older, related to things given to future people, control panel to the new settings app. Because the process is happening now, you have two options for managing store apps and Windows desktop programs, one in control panel, the other in settings. Here's what you can do in each. Control panel, programs and features. In this older, related to things given to future people page, you can work only with Windows desktop apps that were set up using a traditional Windows installer. Converted desktop apps that are distributed in the store aren't included. You get a single list of all such apps with information about the publisher and version number of each one, along with options to uninstall or change those apps, settings, apps and features in recent versions of Windows 10. This page has been, in a big, important way, strengthened, improved, and now it includes listings for not just store apps but also desktop apps installed through the store via an installer. The fastest way to this settings page is to right-click Start, or press Windows key +X, and then click Apps and Features from the top of the Quick Links menu.